Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's your personal escape to your comfort zone, and the secret to creating the perfect peaceful vibe and lies in your wall color combinations. The right mix of colors can make your bedroom look bigger and brighter and more relaxing, while the wrong ones can make it feel dull and cluttered. In this video, I will explore how to choose the best bedroom color combinations that suit your mood, style, and latest designs and trends. Let's get started the video. Wall colors is not just decoration, it's affect your mood, energy, and even sleep quality. Soft colors like light blues, lavenders, or pastel greens can help to feel calm and relaxed. Warm tones like peach, beige, and soft yellow it's create cozy and welcoming atmosphere. While darker tones like charcoals, greys, or deep navy brings elegance, they should be balanced with the lighter furniture and avoid to the heavy look. And blue tones promote of peace and better sleep, ideal for bedrooms. And some color psychology plays key role in interior design. Green shades, it's represent freshness and balance and perfect for natural lovers. Pink and peach, it's bring warm and affection and smoothing vibe. Grey and beige, it's a natural colors. It's offered to the elegance and modern simplicity. White, it's reflect light and create feeling of openness. And the paint palette's ancient walls contrast examples. While choosing your wall colors, use one dominant color for calmness and one ancient shade for style. And combine of warm plus cool tones for balance like soft gray and pastel blue or beige with the olive greens. And always check the lighting. Natural light changes how color is appears. And match your wall shades with the furniture, curtains and floorings and unified look. Try to the textures wallpapers one wall for a designer touch. And a best bedrooms and wall color ideas like sky blue plus white, it's fresh and airy. Beach plus olive is a green of earthy. This in trending in 2025 bedroom color combinations. Blush pink and cream for the warm and softness. Grey plus mustard yellow, it's modern and contrast. And pastel lavender plus white for dreamy and peaceful look. The right bedroom wall colors can change not just your interiors but your entire mood. So choose colors that reflect your personality and bring peace every time you walk. If you like this ideas, don't forget to like and share, subscribe for more home decor inspirations. And thank you for watching this video.